Hi everyone, welcome to my vid. So I'm kind of like on an internship for this period, so I thought that I'd make one of those videos. Okay, I've always wanted to make cooking videos, but because there are people live in my house, so like it's kind of awkward for me to always be filming in the kitchen. So I'm gonna try and like film in like hours where there are like fewer people, and hopefully it works out. We'll see if this video turns out to be what it's supposed to be. I'll be bringing you across my whole week of cooking lunch because I have a 1 hour lunch break in my internship. I'm gonna be showing you recipes that you can make and eat in under an hour, or like you can use these recipes for meal prep, for school, whatever. It's just quick and easy stuff, and because I also try to eat as healthy as I can whenever I can, so there'll be healthier recipes as well. And let's get started.
All the words I had to say, they don't mean nothing to you. What the hell along the way? There isn't nothing better. All we had to do was touch. That was the best chance I could have ever been, all of us. All day long we looked to fall, looking into the sun and find a way to get along. To be waiting for you in the day, on the day. There is nights between us, looking farther all the way.
Wow.
All the words I said were wrong, they don't mean nothing to you. All we had to do was touch, and there's no nothing better.
Cheers. The dish we like to call
Castania.
Okay, my turn. And it's just really easy to just make.
And then run the shrimp.
You can really put like anything in this. I just put shrimps because like it's kind of easy and I felt like eating shrimps. But you can put anything from chicken, meat, whatever you like. Or even a stock. You can use any kind of stock, any kind of milk. It's really flexible. I can just use water, works too. Okay, I think it's a tad too salty. Maybe I'll add some water. Let's hope it's okay. I think I made the temperature too high today. Okay, looks good. I put a little mentaiko drizzle on mine. Wow, I bought this mentaiko from Don Don Donki, and it doesn't exactly taste like the typical mentaiko, but it really has a spice kick. Okay, at least for me, because I've like a 0 spice tolerance. So good. Nothing beats oven baked salmon. I think I put it a tad too long, maybe a minute less, and it'll be all good. Sorry about the printing in the background, I'm like printing something now, but anyway, I think I'm gonna fix myself a matcha latte. But I've been trying my hardest to like reduce my dairy intake or like my milk intake. But for the life of me, I really can't drink almond milk. I tried so many times, but I really don't like it. And like soy milk can't taste funny, and oat milk is worse than fresh milk. So like, I mean, if you guys have any other like suggestions for like milk substitutes, then please hit me up with them. Because in general, milk is just bad for my digestion and my skin. So like, please let me know. It will be really helping me out. Hi, so it's about 3:20 now and I'm feeling a bit peckish, so I decided to get myself a snack. Just got myself a bowl of blueberries and an ice water, but all the ice melted, but yeah.
Before you educate the head.
Oh, what's up? It's Wednesday, and today we're gonna make Japanese food. We're gonna make an oyakodon and miso soup. And if you guys got a little extra time, you can make some chawanmushi too, because it's honestly super simple. So let's get started.
Educate the heart.
Okay, let's try it. I think the onions could have gone for a bit longer, so it would have been softer. Okay. How do you eat it with the rice?
No.
Is oyakodon.
Oh. Okay.
So what's your verdict?
Well, let me see. Ew, onion.
So your verdict is?
Yummy. Chawanmushi.
I put water in yours because it's too salty.
Oh, is it? I like the saltiness.
So what's your verdict?
Delicious.
I love to get it nice and toasty in the toaster just to melt the cheese, but this one kind of exploded, but yes. New tofu scramble. It goes so well with this. I made it last time, like when I was vegetarian, but I think I just added like too many weird things inside, so the combination was just weird. So I've learned less is more. But I still know to overstuff my wraps till they explode. Yeah, but I think the tofu scramble adds like a very nice, like, soft, almost like silky, kind of like alternative. Like it's not like scrambled eggs, but like less hard, like less bite to it, it's like more soft. To spice things up a little, today's coffee we will use a different kind of coffee powder. Friday was a public holiday and it was also my friend's birthday, so we just went out to eat and then we got acai and jackfruit. Yeah! And that's all I have for you guys. Thanks for watching!